be careful.
I know this place pretty well.
This is the land that we are gonna tour all over the place.
We'll look at 11 acres here first.
Okay, okay.
I tried to buy the next 11 acres, but they won't sell.
Oh. So these are 10 acres
11.
from 11 acres from we left.
Go back to the center. There's
All
a
right.
gate there.
Okay.
There's a fire hydrant up here in the corner.
Okay. Oh yeah. I thought that's for the water.
It is. There's a big water line out here. There's an 8-inch water line out here.
Okay.
In the county, the water district put this in.
I see. So up to where?
Up to the center of the gate here.
Okay. There's the house. So this half of this gate,
Yeah, one gate's ours.
one gate is okay.
It's like post
So this is the
house.
post that.
That's the
Oh.
center. That's our property line. Corner there. That's a property corner.
Okay.
There. Post, basically.
So this is theirs now.
Yeah, this belongs to a guy over in Shawnee.
Okay, this is the straight to go our place. This one. This is the straight. Okay.
This property line.
Property line. Here's the pond. So this is straight from there.
Yeah, this is
Okay.
basically the property line right here.
Oh,
It's about halfway over to the fence and halfway to that fence. This guy needed the money and I gave him a little profit when he got the land back.
oh, I see. So this tree is not ours.
I think they are actually. We're going to find a property line up there. See that fence post straight ahead?
Oh
That's
yeah.
the corner of the property. So
Oh.
those trees, but neither one of those trees are ours.
So this one
Those trees are not ours.
is. Okay.
Okay, that's real close to our property corner right there.
I see. This one. All right.
And then from this corner, it goes up to that fence.
Oh, okay. So,
Okay, so we own.
all right. Up to here.
Okay, that belongs to somebody else.
Okay.
I've tried everything to buy him out, and he just won't do it.
So that fence there is theirs, and then
That's our property line.
okay. Who put the property post in there? Was that you? The
See
green.
the steel post?
Oh, yeah.
That's our property corner.
Oh.
That's a property corner. That's a.
So this is
That's,
part ours.
this is all our property
Okay.
over here, but there's a pin here at that steel
Yeah,
post
yeah. Okay.
that marks the property corner. I put the steel post in.
Okay. I was wondering about this. I thought, okay,
Need
this
to
is the
mow
line.
this.
You didn't mow it?
I need to know where the hay was.
Oh,
There was some hay there.
I was wondering about that. So they have horse.
Yeah, they're not taking very good care of the fence, but that's life. See, there's there's another steel post there.
Okay, so
That's another dot on the property line.
I see. But this is still all the way ours.
Yeah, we're on our property.
Okay.
It's just a dot on the
Oh,
property
of the
line.
other side of the house. Okay. Of the neighbor. Interesting. So this is still our land. Oh, they have a goat.
Who does?
The neighbor.
Oh, a goat or dog?
Goat.
There's another steel post there. That's okay.
Oh, this is another.
That's
Yeah.
another one. That's another dot on our property line.
Okay.
And then if you go straight forward to the forest, down there's a creek, and then just
Yeah.
on the other side of the creek is our. He's got a trapper.
Oh, trap for what?
He's trying to catch something,
Oh yeah. I see
raccoon or
that.
something. There.
That's for raccoon.
The door's down on it, whatever. But anyways, so anyway, you go down there, you cross the creek, and about 50 feet on the other side of the creek, there's a steel fence post, which is our property corner.
Okay. So we went there. There was a.
We walked
yeah.
down there a long time ago.
Yeah.
I haven't been down there since. I might have been down there once since then. Not a, in the
So
wintertime,
this
it's not
are-
bad.
those
Go
are our
in there in the
forests.
wintertime, it's pretty nasty down there right now.
It's the forest. So we still have a forest.
Yeah, we got 10 acres.
Oh, what is that? There's a couch. Oh, that's what's it.
Yeah, that's what
Yeah. So all the way there, all the way to the end, to the where,
yeah.
to the street. So this is the forest. It's still our forest right there. So how many acres in the forest?
10 acres down the forest.
Oh, that's still a lot.
It's old walnut, western original walnut forest.
There's a walnut there? Oh, I need to go and get something. Is there a nut? Wow, man, I didn't know that. How many nuts are in there?
There's a lot of trees in there. Get plenty and pick them up.
Wow, I didn't realize that there's a nuts. Lots of nuts. Walnuts. Oh, this is a lot of land.
I thought if we ever developed, we'd bring a cul-de-sac in and then put 5 houses around the cul-de-sac like you did over on that other thing over on Waverly, that development I did.
I think that this give the more. I want to make it as a Galeno,
Well, yeah, I mean,
you know, Galeno farm or Galeno
the
whatever.
big expense is the land. Land's all paid for.
Yeah.
Really, all we got to do is put the road in. And this guy's bringing utilities to us.
That's really a big deal.
If you want to go get walnuts, you got to kind of prepare the land a little bit.
Okay.
You got to get in there and clean this mess out.
That's what I was asking about. There is a fence. You should not put
No
a fence.
there.
Oh, there is.
A lot of it's gone. I've rolled a bunch of it.
Oh,
But you can't hardly walk in there. You see, because
oh yeah.
I ran a bulldozer in there, what, 10 years ago when I had it, and I cleaned it out. See how the brush is grown
Right,
back in?
right.
There's a bunch of rock in there. You can't run a mower in there. So
Oh,
you take the loader in there, have the boys go down there with the loader and push the rock down the hill.
yeah.
Richard's got my loader this year. That'd be a job for the boys. Go in there and kind of bulldoze that down a little bit. Then
Wow.
maybe then get where you start mowing it. Then once you got where you can mow it, once you got where you can mow it, then you can go in there and do the mowing.
Here's the road. The road is across the trees. Oh, you want to jump there? Maybe you can. Oh yeah. Bird. You want to jump there? Let me look first. Honey. Okay. Oh no, you can't jump there. See? Nope.
I need to dig it out a little bit.
Yeah. You cannot jump.
One more jump than I want to make.
So that's this so far.
And then it runs down to the middle of Gardner
All
Street.
the way to Gardner Street.
Down to the middle, right to the middle. You know, we own 10 acres of forest there.
Okay.
Yeah, I need to have the boys come over here with the tractor and just push the rocks down the hill. Once the rocks are down the hill, then we can take that little tractor and go in there and mow it.
Yeah.
And then you can go in there and pick up walnuts.
I want to do that. Oh, I have an idea. I have an idea. I have a lot of friends that likes nut walnuts, so we'll go
You
there.
can't find them. It's so thick down here. You can't even find them right now.
How many walnuts do you know? How many walnuts?
There's a pickup truck loaded, but
Oh, we are kidding.
it came, you know, the weeds are.
So we have another pond. This is the second pond we have. We have third pond, right?
Well, it ain't much.
It's
Yeah,
a,
the other one's-
the third one is very small.
yeah, it's a puddle.
You go all the way to the gate, then go across to the my.
Yeah, I was looking at my